let's jump into the parts of a rope today. Two main characteristics here. When you're dealing with a thing of rope, you're gonna have a standing end, which is like the longer section that you're not really working with. That could be if you have a 100-foot piece of rope, you're only working with maybe 6, 10, 12 inches of that rope, not the entire thing. So the standing end is the coil of rope that you're not really working with. And henceforth, the working end is the end you're working with, the 12 inches, the 18 inches that you're messing with. When you're manipulating rope, there's a couple ways of doing that. You're going to be using the working end, but when you have a length, you could be making a loop. And when we say a loop, it's not necessarily connecting, but you're creating a loop in the line. You create a bite, which is a little tighter. And you could also do a crossing turn, and that's where I guess a layman would say it'd be a loop, but this is a crossing turn. Those are the key pieces there. If you have like a dowel of some kind, if you are, it kind of goes along with the turn. If you're taking your working end and you're looping it over something, you would have a single turn if you're just making that one loop, and you would have a round turn if you go all the way completely around. All right, so with that terminology, let's jump into our first knot.